She just tearing his neck up.
Mm-hmm. That hawk is pretty.
Yep.
Damn. See that, y'all? It's a hawk. What's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again. One of them doing another video, getting them saying Mother Nature. You're looking at this beautiful hawk around my own neighborhood, Rogers Avenue, right now, and it's a hawk killing the pigeon. I mean, a hawk eating the crow. Look at that. That is pretty. Damn, tearing his ass up. Look at that. You seen a hawk in the inner city eating this damn crow. And look at the feathers.
Feathers flying all over.
Flying all over the place.
Damn.
Tearing his ass up. Yeah, even in the city of Baltimore, y'all, we see wildlife like this. I've seen deers around here, but this is a hawk live right here.
Yeah, that's a serious hawk.
It's a serious hawk. Look at that.
These are all signs, man.
Yes, indeed. Look at that, y'all.
And knowing that the hawk represents the spirit realm and the daggone crow symbolizes the secrets and magic and all that other stuff.
Yep.
They with the underground, so you see Haru going after Set right here.
Yep.
And Haru beats Set.
Look at this right here. Y'all seen a hawk right here, y'all, eating the crow. Look at the tail, look at the wings. We've been seeing this hawk over here for like the last 10 minutes. Keep doing your thing. I ain't mad at you. You got your dinner. You got your little dinner. I ain't mad at you. Damn, look at it eating the neck. Is that a hawk pulling on the neck?
That must be a female, man. They gotta be.
Yeah, she going ham on that crow.
Hard. She must got some babies to feed or something.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. Wow, look at that.
She literally pulling like hard. You just see her, she just literally using all her strength, just
right,
shaking the daggone branch of the tree.
Right. Yeah, she pulling on that neck.
Right.
So yeah, I'm gonna get mine.
Right.
God damn. That's how you know this hawk been in the hood. That hawk is throwing down. Wow, look at that.
This happened right before we had to go somewhere. It's just
Yep.
and the train didn't come here yet.
Right, and I've been seeing hawks around here, y'all, for a long time. These things are pretty. They be tearing them crows up. I see you. I ain't mad at you. I know you're looking in the camera. God damn. That hawk wearing that crow ass out. Look at that. See that, y'all? This is
the wonders of nature.
Yep, the wonders of nature. In the inner city, you seeing the hawk right now. See the tail, y'all. See the beak. I wish I can get closer, but I'm all the way on the platform at Rogers Station. This is pretty. And look at the feathers, y'all.
Feathers
flying all over the place.
Feather flew over here somewhere.
Right. And look at the wings.
Her wingspan gotta be huge.
Wow, look at that. Man, them feathers all over the place. Keep doing your thing. I know the train coming. I caught this on the platform. Wow, look at the wings. See the wings, y'all? Damn, feathers all over the place. Wow, look at that. See the wings, y'all? There she, yo, look how the hawk's sitting on the, with his wings out.
Right. She murked that. You can
straight murk that crow.
I can smell the body. I can smell the daggone flesh over here. The hawk is over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you one thing. When them buzzers jump up on them buzzers gonna tear this crow up.
Yeah.
That's why you see so many black buzzers around here, cause them hawks is out. Yeah, look at the feathers. Yeah, keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. I ain't mad at you.
I know her claws super sharp though.
Yeah, super sharp. That hawk having a good old time. That hawk at IHOP right now. Shit, I ain't mad.
Right.
Should be nice to have as a damn pet. Yeah, y'all. Live at Rogers Station, Rogers Avenue. Wow, look at that.
You see the wings? Look at that.
And pulling on the neck.
Right. You can see the neck moving like.
Right.
You see the neck jerking like.
Like, yeah, give me mine.
She looking around, seeing if anybody want none.
Right. Hey, no, this all me right here.
Right.
Got the damn feathers flying around and shit.
I earned this.
Right. Oh yeah, that's why I said I ain't mad at you. Shit.
Damn.
Right, look at the wings.
Whew. Beautiful, man.
Beautiful, man. I know what y'all thinking, like, what the hell?
Sometimes you gotta go nature, man. To see how beautiful it
This is what we're gonna have to do, go into nature.
The little birds better back the hell away, though.
Right. Yeah, the little bird's better back away. You dealing with animal of prey. You got the hawk over here.
Right. They chirping and shit.
They hawk looking around like, you better not try me. Hawk just sitting on the pigeon. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's like, yeah, I'm chilling. Let my food digest. Yeah, y'all had to come to y'all with this video, man. Spend thoughts upon this. Shit, light up on the situation. I felt the need of y'all to hear the subject and see this beautiful thing. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. And this your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.